Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a rating my squishies and a squishy update number 4. I'm so excited, and if you want to see my other updates, number 1, number 2, number 3, I will link the playlist in the description down below. So yeah, and I'm going to be rating them, and also these are like the squishies that I made all yesterday. So these are all the squishies that I made yesterday, and 2 of them I made today. So yeah, let's get started. So the one that I made today is this 3D, yes, it's 3D blueberry crunch cereal, and this is the squish fun one, and I made it today, and it's so squishy. It's like, look at that, and it's 3D. And I will rate this one probably a 9.5 out of 10, because I could have done better on like the coloring of and making of the blueberries, so I'm gonna just do 9.5, which is like really nice. So yeah, this is the one I made today. My second one is this Pop It, and I would rate this one a 6 out of 10 because it's small and like the shape is kind of weird, but the squishiness is really nice, and I also like the colors, but it doesn't look like a Pop It. That's why I reducted, whatever. Took some points because yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Then I have another, this is not a Pop It. I have a DNA ball. So this is basically like a ball that has like the little spirals. I don't know why it's called a DNA ball, but people call it that. I didn't make the name up, so yeah. Which is also a fidget. So this is a like, supposed to be like a stress ball, but I made a squishy version of it. And like, this is another Pop It. I will rate this a 5 out of 10 because it's really small, but I like the color of it, and it's kind of dense, so I can't squish it that much, but I like it. Now I have another Pop It, which is another one for my fidget collection, and this is like the actual Pop It. And if you can see like the, I don't know if you can see it on camera, I don't know if you can, then they're like little circles here, and those are supposed to be like the Pop Its, you know, like the one you do that thing, and this is like a nice squishy version of it. So comment down below if you want a tutorial on how to draw this. It's really simple, but in case any of you were wondering. Then now I have 3 more. I made this, it's kind of hard to explain. I made this roll, like a Tootsie Roll, I believe. No, not a Tootsie Roll, it's just like a pastry roll, and it has different flavors. So like, for example, this is bubblegum, vanilla, chocolate chip, and cream and chocolate chip. Bubblegum, I already said that, and like vanilla again, and then like a teal kind of thing. This is pink, so this is like, it has like a blueberry inside, a blueberry flavor like cream inside. I forgot to color this, so it doesn't look that much but it's really squishy and it's also 3D. So yeah, I made this last night before sleeping because I couldn't go to sleep, and also summer break. So yeah, but this is really squishy. I really like it. Really nice. Oh my god, I can't stop squishing it. And I will rate this a 10 out of 10. No, I will rate this the same as I did to this one, a 9.5 out of 10. So yeah, this could have been a 10, but like I forgot to color this part, so yeah. Now I have two more, and this is from the Squishmallow series, but I just finished making them today. So this is Connor the cow, and this is Patty the cow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.